Sometimes it can be difficult to understand how words connect ideas in a sentence. In this lesson, we are learning how to use prepositions in sentences to show place, time and movement. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothin Fancy Literacy, where we provide simple, clear grammar lessons for students, teachers, and ESL learners. Prepositions show the relationship between nouns and other words in a sentence. They often tell us where something is, when something happens, or how something moves. Let's look at an example. The cat is under the table. The word under is a preposition because it tells us where the cat is. Here is another example. We had lunch after the game. The word after is a preposition because it tells us when something happened. Now let's look at movement. The boy ran across the road. The word across shows movement from one place to another. Let's look at one more example. The bag is on the chair. The word on shows the relationship between the bag and the chair. Prepositions help make sentences clearer by showing how things are connected. There is one important thing to remember. A preposition is usually followed by a noun or pronoun. For example, the cat is under the table. Here is your activity. Find the preposition in this sentence. The dog ran through the tunnel. Take a moment to pause the video and try it yourself. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to Nothin Fancy Literacy for more simple and clear grammar lessons.